welcome back to Pabbly. Come, I'll show you how this AI chatbot is going to run for your own university. So let's say someone types hey and sent you hey on WhatsApp. So this AI assistant is going to first greet them by saying hello, how can I assist you today? So I'm going to ask my question which says I want to know about undergraduate programs in computer science. And I'm going to send this question. And now let's see how much time this AI assistant is going to take to reply me. And you're going to see within seconds and in real time replying me. It is sharing me the details of the undergraduate programs in computer science. Now let's ask another question. How can I apply for MBA program? And once I'm going to ask this question, it is going to share me the steps or the details related to same. So let's wait for a few seconds once again, and you're going to see within seconds and in real time it has shared me the details. So you must be wondering how this AI chatbot knows about my university so much that it is also sharing the fees and the duration and everything. So what I've done is I've uploaded this knowledge base in this AI chatbot, and it is replying according to this knowledge base only. You're going to see the price, the eligibility and the rest of the details, which is the admission process and all, is sent from this knowledge base only. So yes, this is no magic. This is the power of AI chatbot which we're going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this AI chatbot for your own university, then stay in this video till the end, because I'm going to show you how you can do this. So to do this, you have to open Pabbly Chatflow's AI assistant. Alright, so if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Chatflow landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that URL, and in the top right corner you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free, and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. Then come inside Pabbly Chatflow from the left end of the side, go on this AI assistant, but first you have to make sure that you add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn how to add the WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, a video tutorial dedicated towards that has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow first. Then come on this AI assistant, and now come and follow me and I'll show you how you can create this AI assistant. Alright, so first you have to select the instructions type. So if you wish to give a custom prompt, you can select it as custom prompt and give the prompt according to your own choice. But we have some pre-built examples to help you, like this AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent and much more. So you can use anyone from this. Also, I'm going to use this AI agent, and this instructions will be added automatically. We don't have to add it now. Alright, if you wish you can definitely edit these, but if you wish you can keep it as same too. Now the next is this temperature. So over here you can set how creative AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So it depends upon you. I'm going to keep it as 0.2 because I want more focused answers. Now it is saying select the AI to use, so I'm going to select it as OpenAI. For the model, I'm going to use GPT-4o Mini. You can select this according to your own needs and wants. The next is this API key. So to get this API key, you have to open your OpenAI API key page. The hyperlink is given in the description. You can directly click on it and open this. Now you have to go towards this create new secret key button, enter your key name, select the project and click on this create secret key, and your key will be created. You have to copy this key and paste it right over here in this API key section and click on this connect, and you're going to see it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. The next is this AI assistant settings. So you can do some settings. You can add the header and a footer message. Simply switch on this button and add the header or a footer message over here. The next which we have is this top keyword. So what you can do is you can switch it on right from here and enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. So you can type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. Alright, so you have to simply type this keyword, press enter to add this keyword. And what is going to happen is that let's say user is chatting with the AI assistant and they have a doubt, or the AI assistant is not replying them correctly. So what you can do is they can simply type stop or human, and the AI assistant is not going to reply them further. A manual review will be needed to take that user's chat back again towards the AI assistant. So you can mention a footer message over here that to stop the AI assistant type stop or type human or something like this. So it totally depends upon you how you want to customize it. The next is this retry attempts. You can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. So I'm going to keep it as 3, but the valid range is between 1 to 10. You can keep it as according to your own choice. The next is this fallback message. So you can add the fallback message in order to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. correctly. So I'm going to add my support email address so that if a user has some emergency, they can contact me on mail if the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. With this, we have completed this AI instructions. Now let's go towards this knowledge source. So what we have to do is, I just told you that I've created this knowledge source using which this AI assistant is solving my queries. And how you can create this, you have to open a blank Google document and add the details which are unique to your business in that Google Doc. Make sure that you add the details very accurately and very specifically. All right, then what you have to do is you have to go towards this file download and download this in TXT or PDF format. Both the formats are supported, but I'll suggest you go for TXT format because TXT is preferred. As for PDFs, we don't have any limit for text PDFs, but if you go for PDFs which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So it totally depends upon you. You want to download this in PDF or TXT format, I'll suggest you go for plain text only. I have downloaded it, so let's upload it. I'm going to go towards this choose a file and we're going to upload this knowledge source, and you're going to see that we have successfully uploaded this knowledge source, and now this AI assistant is going to reply according to this knowledge source only. Let's move in further towards this AI interface. We have to enter the brand name over here. So let's enter the university name. All right, so I'm going to simply enter the name of my university. Same goes for the subheading. If you wish, you can definitely edit it like this. And the next is this initial message. So you can type the initial message and press enter to add this over here. You can add up to 2 initial messages. The next is this display the powered by Pabbly labels. If you wish, you can enable it or disable it from here. If you disable it, it will disappear. If you enable it, it will appear. And the next is this footer text. So you can add this to add a disclaimer or a link to your privacy policy. Same goes for the footer link. The next is this user's first message. So this message will be sent as the initial message from the user on WhatsApp. So you can customize it according to your own choice. I'm going to keep it as hey. The next is this styling. So over here you can style this WhatsApp chatbot. You can change the theme, you can change the shape, you can change the colors and the pictures. It depends upon you how you want this AI chatbot to look like. And with this, we have successfully completed this AI chatbot. So let's switch on this toggle button and click on this save AI assistant, and now this AI assistant is saved successfully and we have created this AI assistant. But how can we use it for our business? So you have to go towards this embedded. You're going to get the script. So copy the script and paste it on the website of your university. And further, let's say some student or your potential student comes on your university's website, they're going to find this AI chatbot on your website, and once they click on this start chat, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and the initial message which you entered over here will be sent from them towards you on WhatsApp. And further, the AI assistant is going to get activated and reply to all their queries. All right, what else you can do is you can go towards this inbox section. So I'm going to open it in a new tab first, and what you can do is you can assign this AI assistant to particular contacts too. I'm going to show you. All right, so now let's open our inbox, and let's say I'm going to assign this AI assistant to this particular contact. So I'm going to go towards this choose AI assistant and assign this AI assistant and click on this save. And now whenever this contact is going to message me, automatically this AI assistant is going to reply. Not only this, if I wish to assign this AI assistant to multiple contacts at once, I can go towards this left end of the side towards this inbox settings. Now we have to scroll and you're going to find this enable AI auto reply. So switch it on right from here, select the contact list and the AI assistant is going to reply to all the contacts in this list. If you wish to learn how to create a new contact or about any another feature in Pabbly Chatflow, a video tutorial dedicated towards same has been attached in the description box. You can check it out. Further, for the contact list, you can go towards this contact section and create your own list and click on this save, and this settings will be saved. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this AI assistant, and now go try this amazing AI chatbot for your own university, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to this AI assistant or the video, you can directly comment on this video. My team is ready to solve all your doubts and queries. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.